Welcome to the Wix SEO Guide for 2025. In our digital world, optimizing your website for search engines is crucial for success. Let's explore how Wix can help you improve your online presence. In 2025, search engine algorithms are more complex and focused on user intent. Understanding how they work can drastically enhance your site's performance. To achieve SEO success, setting up your Wix site correctly is essential. Let's go through the critical settings that can elevate your SEO game. Effective keyword research is the foundation of any SEO strategy. We'll discuss some techniques specifically tailored for Wix users. On-page SEO is vital for your site's visibility. Let's dive into the best practices that every Wix user should follow. Wix offers a range of tools for SEO optimization. We'll highlight how to effectively use them to boost your rankings. High-quality content is king in the world of SEO. Let's talk about how to create compelling content that resonates with your audience. Backlinks are essential for boosting your site's authority. We'll share strategies tailored specifically for Wix users. Measuring your SEO success is key to understanding your progress. Let's explore the analytics tools available to Wix users. Lastly, we'll discuss emerging SEO trends and how you can prepare your Wix site for the future in 2026.